Construction of the power plant is carried out in accordance with a detailed program drawn up to provide the various foundations and general site works in the sequence necessary to enable the building work and plant installation to proceed in accordance with the general construction program. The new generation combined cycle power plants serves as a peaker plant in that it shall run only when there is a peak demand for electricity. Being the first of its kind to run on indigenous liquid natural gas (LNG), it is the latest addition and an ever-growing list of renewable energy power plants. The project is one from the ground up, encompassing multiple disciplines through civil, mechanical, and electrical operations. The breakdown of this scope of handover to operations and maintenance can be seen here in my Excel data table. Letter A, we have technological packages generation. Letter B, we have balance of plant BOP. Letter C, civil part. Letter D, electrical part. Letter E, field instrumentation. For a specific breakdown, for letter A, P01 gas turbine generator with auxiliaries, P02 exhaust stack, P03 fuel gas conditioning. Under balance of plant BOP, we have P04 fuel farm, P05 GTG inlet chilling system. We have P06 water treatment plant, multimedia filter, and then we have compressed air station, and then P08 we have interconnecting piping system, and on civil part we have multifunctional building, and then switchyard C13 switchyard foundations by others, C15 pipes and cable racks, CO22 external lighting, 25 firefighting system, CO29 telecom, LAN, CCTV, radio and communication system, C037 roads and hard surfaces. We have letter D electrical part, P15 common electrical, P16 step up and auxiliary transformers, P17 MV system, P18 LV UPS and DC system, and letter E we have field instrumentation, P25 continuous emission monitoring system, and P26 distributed control or DCS system. Tables. Source baseline. We have the original duration, baseline percent complete, baseline start, baseline finish, the timelines including the data date. Charts and graphs. Plant handover to O&M. We have this dashboard. On the left is the percentage and on the right are the dates. Below are the systems. P01, P02 until P26. S curve. curve depicts the plant handover to O&M curves. On the left and right side are the percentage, while on below horizontally are the dates. We have the baseline curve, we have the actual curve, we have the forecast curve, including the data date. Man hours and histogram. Manpower histogram. Man hours histogram. Man hours histogram for the power plant handover to O&M. 10 days look ahead schedule.